Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Pro Karbon case for your OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so the OnePlus 7 Pro Karbon case. This is my first actual case from OnePlus, and I actually got it from the T-Mobile store. They had it for $10 off if you bought the phone, so I actually picked up the phone from T-Mobile, and I got this case for $29.99. How much it is on the OnePlus website, I have no idea. This is my second OnePlus phone, so I'm kind of a rookie at this, but as you can see from the packaging, you got all that good stuff here. And if you guys want to pause this and try to read it for yourself, I might have to go manual here. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Product name and the product model and all that good stuff. You could check that out if you want to. So back to the case, let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. It looks like you could just pop that out. Now, I have seen a lot of cases like this before, but this one is more of a regular case and not just like a slap-on thing here. So you do have that carbon fiber type look on there. Let's see if we get into focus. Looks pretty cool. So if you do have the blue OnePlus, and if you want to make it look black, just slap on this case and you can definitely make it look nice. So you do have, it's kind of thin though, but it's not cheap, so I'll definitely see exactly what happens here. So alright, so it's inside the case for right now. If you guys hate the case that actually comes with the phone, which kind of sucks, here's what that case looks like. Kind of sucks. This is what the Pro Karbon case looks like. Looks really nice. Has a nice texture to it as well. Doesn't pick up fingerprints as bad. Let's see how the lip action is. Just enough to make it flush. As far as the top and the bottom, lip action, you have a little bit up top and on the bottom, but the sides are curved now on the OnePlus 7 Pro, so you really don't have any type of drop protection. But for a phone like this, I would definitely try to protect it if you can. I will have some more cases if you guys are interested in that. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the OnePlus 7 Pro, let me know down in the comments below. But the buttons are clicky, by the way. Yes, they are. And you have some easy access to the mute and toggle switch. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the OnePlus 7 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh man, that's crazy. Later. Man, just look at all that screen. It's insane.